In this video, find many do-it-yourself quad hubs for your cubical quad. They all numbered. This way it'll be easier to find. Thank you. So here we have quads made from PVC pipe. As you can see, all the connections. There's another way of doing them also. And also here's one, I think that's for the 6 metre band. And here's some joints you can get to make them. They're for the smaller bands, but of course you can buy them at most hardwares. I suppose that's about it.